Hey, what's going on, guys? Quick video for you to let you know pretty much everything about this Garvee portable air conditioner. So I just got a chance to finish setting it up and everything. So right now I can tell you it just kicks out a ton of air. So I would suggest this for anyone who might either have like an attic space or like an upstairs space without air conditioning, something like that. Now just a quick run through of all of the control panel options. Of course, you have your standard power button on off, and then your modes. You have the option to do cooling, or you can do dry, and then just a straight fan mode. And then you also have 3 different speeds, so low, medium, and high. And it's really quiet, especially considering the amount of airflow that it has. And then of course you have your temperature adjustment with the digital display. So just arrow up or down to set your desired temperature on there. Then it has a timer, and then a sleep mode, and then swing, which is for this front cover here. This swing cover is automatic, so when you plug this in and turn it on, this automatically opens up. It also comes with a remote that has a really nice digital display on it, but it doesn't come with any batteries, so I wasn't able to use it yet because you need 2 AAA batteries. I don't have any yet, but the remote itself is cool, and I love that it has the digital displays. The unboxing was super simple, and it was really easy to set up. I mean, it just came, you cut the straps and pulled off the lid, and then everything was laid out really nice. It has pretty much everything that you need. You want to make sure you exhaust it outside. So it does come with your window kit. All you need to do is take that duct and screw it onto the fitting that connects to the air conditioner, and then screw it onto the other fitting that connects to your window. So you hook it to that, and then really you just place that in the window and connect it to the air conditioner and plug this thing in. Make sure to reset the surge protector that is built into this cord and turn it to the temperature you want, and it works. A couple things I want to point out to you real quick is that air conditioner does dehumidify, in case you don't know. So that means it does have condensation. So it has a condensation drain that you need to account for. So if you have a space or area that's tall enough above your window, or if you have a drain or something on the ground where you can run this, you can just use the tube that they gave you. So you do have the option of using it on a higher drain plug, and they also have a drain plug all the way at the bottom that you can plug this tube into. If you're not able to have your air conditioner higher than your window or some good drain area, I recommend using like a portable pump, and I've actually used those in the past for portable air conditioners, and they work really good. So those are your options there. The other thing is to check your window to make sure it's not too big for the window install kit that it comes with. If your window is too big, you might have to go ahead and buy a separate kit or choose a different window just to make sure you can get a good seal. And the last thing I think I would recommend is maybe getting like some window strip to stick to the side of your window kit, just to help create a better seal between your house and the outside. But other than that, guys, I am super impressed with this thing. It has nice caster wheels. It looks really nice, rolls nice. So I just really love it, and it is for sure doing a good job cooling down my space. I'm happy to have it. It's going to make my home really comfortable for the summertime.